comfortable. I love everything about it. I love everything, yo. Morning vlog, wagwan. Morning, everybody alright? But there's a bun up some planting, isn't it? Bun them up. Bun them right up to the crisp. We just make a video a while ago, upload it on Kevin Too Crazy Extra because I'm able to upload again because again plant them a bun up, brother. So I upload a video and make them know why reaction videos gotta go. So if you're coming over from there, you now know why reaction videos gotta go, because you're putting the channel in jeopardy of being deleted, and also all my channels will be deleted, and so on and so forth. What I want to do today is go on a road. Also, I'm gonna make another sandwich. Bash up on the camera dead. So before I go on the road, I'm gonna have these burnt plantains with some bread, and then while I'm doing that, I will also allow for the camera to charge, the battery on the camera to charge, so that I can bring it on the road with me and go get the ingredients for my sandwich, which is the Ackee and bacon sandwich. The decision was made to not bother bring the other camera. So right now, I am laughing because fill fuel. You can't stay there, you're not going to tell me what to do. You do what me tell you to do. Left me a road and you see. Car is balling for gas. That's the first place I'm going to go, to the gas station, and then me have to link up another general because he might drop off a flask to me. I go up on a trip next week where I bring Uno with me. So I'll link him up here now and then go get me ingredients and come back home. Just put 5 grand gas in my car, brother. And not even half tank. It's just one stroke above quarter. Reach my destination, the G's ain't soon forward, isn't me? Alright people, so there are where the island destinations pass, you know what I mean? Just give them a little bit of water and where they're supposed to look out for.
Alright, so island destination is a Jamaican travel app where we basically list like the hidden gems of Jamaica where persons can enjoy, you know? As you know, for the whole COVID thing, a lot of persons want to travel even more. So we kind of do it in a way where anywhere we find and explore,
yeah,
make it available for persons to explore as well. So you can just download the island destinations app from either App Store or the Play Store and enjoy the adventures when it's
6 Gaza bread.
6 Gaza?
Right.
Ever
Yes I do. Alright, thank you. Alright, so I'm gonna get the Gaza bread. I get the Ackee now. And go on supermarket to go get the bacon. The thing with Travis the drop off is a flask. You know them when I watch movie and you see them flask thing. Like I show you when I go back I can. Bacon and cheese. I see they were saying something about like no salt. Nah bro, give me the high salt. Just like how saltfish salty. So your bacon just taste. So all the time when I go to the supermarket, I can't recall seeing Ensure always being at the front of the supermarket. Me? I just think I see things. I've been to a few supermarkets and I noticed say, yo, Ensure is at the front now. You see me? So, yeah, what am I going with that? When they tell me, yeah, I don't really know why Ensure they all up by front. And this is the flask. Travis, big up yourself again, you know. See, I have a K2K logo upon it. We're going on a trip. I'm telling somebody I bring you know. So, you know, I'm like a rum flask. As I'm telling them I have a travel app where you go certain destinations and put it in the app so that people when they come to Jamaica them can or even people there now them can search the app for places to go. And you know sometimes you don't want to go to the same old place, you want to try something different because there are a lot of places to go within Jamaica, you know. You just need to find them. And him find them for you know, put them in the app so that you can go up on the app. Oh yeah, I never go to a place yet. Place is brand new, boom. And you go there. Check it out. Island destination. Back on the turf, you see me? What am I going to do right now? I'm going to pick the Ackee, cut up my seasoning, fry the bacon, then we get to assemble the freaking Ackee and bacon sandwich, you see me? Ackee in a pot after 30 minutes to circle back. I deal with the bacon you know, you see me? A very important part of cooking bacon is low heat. Something I always do to my bacon is like poke it up with a fork so that you know curl up on them something, but me did. I forget that step there a while ago. but we're not too sweat it. So we got our onion, escallion, sweet pepper, hot pepper. Hot pepper is a very deceptive thing, you know, because if you smell it real good, it smells kind of fruity. You bite into it, gotta go with you.
You know the thing lick up a chip me.
Bacon done fry, there so chill, wrap it up and protect it from the flies and also make it go on, you know, sturdificate. Just like how you have saltfish, we're gonna break down the bacon like that. We're not using saltfish, bacon our saltfish.
That's rich.
Saltfish are right, but bacon tastes better. Fight me. The timer just go off for the ackee. After 30 minutes, we're gonna test it and see everything. Yeah, that is it. It doesn't need no more. Strain off that. Then we'll get to the frying process. I can break down with bacon then now still, alright? Bacon them, they look so good, the camera catch heart attack a while ago. Heart attack! But yeah, we're back to it. We're going to break them down nice, fine. Not too fine, but the right size. Ackee, I do hate I do, but something else want to throw in that pot. I may put garlic in there. You never see it on the cutting board, but garlic there. Piece of time, you see me? The last thing I go in that pot is bacon, because we don't want the bacon get saggy or give off no extra oil. A tip is use bacon with only lean, not only fat, so you get less oil off of it. Alright? Cool. People, can I tell you that the Gaza bread them how we did get? Them they fresh. Look, nice and soft. Oh my god, me don't have to even sharp the knife so more. Because I know say it about a little time going through this if you know sharp. So right now we are going to toast the Gaza bread. We left some bacon grease in our pot. Because that I got toast the bread, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Boom. Bread. Toasted. Yeah. And this time we got it right. You know, so this is the base, this is the top. I will make sure. Yeah. Yeah. Nice and toasted. Fuck! Hey, fly! What you doing, bro? So I'm gonna like fly, brother. Bacon in a pot, you know, with the ackee. I'm gonna give this a 1 stir. And then I eat that. Jesus. Yeah? And that's it. And that's it. Alright. This morning we fry some plantain, people. So I'm gonna put the plantain on half. You understand? Maybe if you just put it on whole like, but you know? Like I say, ackee and saltfish. If you remember this side base. Yeah, for half, because we don't have enough. When you buy one plant, you have enough to fry, but I'll save it for you later date. You understand? I could go in here now. Yeah, man, drop off of this, okay? You think you're going to just drop off and me left you over there, so you hear? Do all of that. And we get some of the, what you call it, you know? We extra seasoning them in it. Bacon the day, on I see the bacon and them something there. Yo, move from yourself, like. Yeah, but there. Yeah, I think I eat that. We're not even pack it too much. We're not even go and pack it too much. Boom, wash out my hand, them, because you don't know. A mad thing. When you see the fly run there, run them with me, do. Bam! See, close up the people. Yeah. 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 Last time I did tell you about how I give you a 360, I end up giving you a 180. So I get a little, what you call this now, a 270? I don't know. Alright people, so the last time I did forget for sure to say, you know, my drink, when I did make before that, I did drink with it. Make another one, but this time the mango no night, I just ginger, pineapple, and melon with the light skin sweetener. Of course, delicious. Yeah, that's sandwich time now. I could bust it down. You see that? Oh, wait that. And that I go on, we have the plant inside, and then the no plant inside. I'm going for the plant inside first. Again, big up all that people them with the food videos and them things like that. This thing I take a whole heap of work. Especially when I use one. You understand? No, man, zoom in a little bit for now. Huh? No, focus man. On the sandwich and me, you see me? The two away. Both of us. My God. People, I love everything about it. I love everything. Yo, feel like I want to cry. Tastes so good, man, ball. Toasting the bread with the bacon grease. Mwah. I mean, I get the bacon, I get the ackee flavor, and I'm getting the pepper what I put in there, which is excellent, bro. Because there are things that I lick up pepper there, probably not on a style. Lie me a tell, full of style and this sandwich, bad with it. And you know, so the addition of planting to anything is always a good idea. Yeah, if I say planting, you can't lose. No, I'm going in. Catch an next pre, man. I don't know that one. Catch an next pre, man. Bloodstain. See it there. Puss joke. Yeah! This was another good idea. Gaza bread is a hit, you know. I hit, man. If I say Gaza, I have to eat, brother. The fact that the Gaza bread, nice and fresh from the bakery. And then I got toast it with the bacon grease. Puss joke. All of my little seasoning them in there. Them not overpowering, but the flavor is just magnificent. Magnificent. You know, say food bad when you start bust and dance. Wow! To all the mans them out there, if you can cook, girl, you're just a link, cook this for her. Boom boom my Oh man. And the bacon overly salty. As I telling you before, I'm a sandwich guy. For sandwich and chicken alone in our world, I'm good. Another winner, one you can try. It's not as expensive as the oxtail. Wouldn't say it is as good, but it's good. It's solid. You know what I mean? Because the oxtail, I first me I tried that one and it blasts off me hot. Poof. But this is a nice breakfast sandwich. Like in the morning, when I go one little place to get something like this. A little bit of Ackee to escape. As I was saying though, if there's a restaurant place in the morning they serve something like this and it tastes this good, because some other chef, but another chef like me, you know. Yeah, we're not chef like me, we're not idiot. But if them cook this early morning, boom, I have a Ackee and bacon sandwich, but I go buy it. But why buy it when I can make it? Big up on yourself here people, if you can't try. Bacon are like $700 a pack. I'm use about 5 strips of bacon, so 4 I have left. Damn. And my juice. My juice! People, one of it tasty. I not just say this because I mean, one of it tasty. It is not. Other man, they go, no. And this, I'm going to save this a half here for dinner. I could probably fry some more plantain for putting at this. Cheers, no tears.